Hey guys, welcome back or to 803 Garage. Today we're going to work on diagnosing a spark problem with my lawnmower. You know this beast, you've seen it many times, and she's lasted forever, but now she won't start. So, hear that? And it doesn't sound quite right. So, we're missing a couple bolts here and there and whatnot. So immediately when I was taking a look at this thing, I took off the spark plug boot and I noticed how loose it was. So I went out and got one of those, and then I'm going to take a look and see if I can find spark with the plug. So what you do is you stick this in here, put it up against the frame, and if it sparks, like make sure she has a clean spot, and if she sparks, you got spark. But you'll notice here how loose it is, and you'll see in here, let's take a look if you can see that on camera, it looks pretty daggone rusty. That's not good. We don't like that. So we're gonna replace the boot. That's probably why it's not getting good connection. We also got a spark plug, but I wanted to show you a way to test it. Now I'll angle that toward you guys. I'll probably end up shocking myself, and I got a good funny story for that. So this will go on here. Got my boot there. Oh, it's gonna suck. As you can see, there is no spark whatsoever. So if you ever want to mess with somebody and you want to ask them to check spark, you ask them to hold on to this little thing, and they'll get a nice little shock. I've done this to my nephew a few times, twice actually. Once with an outboard boat, and another time with a lawnmower. Both times, the second time he wanted to kill me. The first time, he screamed. So Terry, if you're watching, yeah, I remember that. So we're gonna change that spark plug. I went and got a spare one. Going into the local shop and whatnot, so you just match it up, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You see there's really no difference between the two spark plugs. None whatsoever. So this will get put on there, and we'll see if she wants to run. And we're still gonna switch the, what do you call it? Oh yeah, the other part about this, keep that porcelain, because you can break tempered glass with it. So if you ever have any tempered glass around here, you're getting rid of a vehicle, you just touch it with this porcelain, and then there's a video upcoming that I have some tempered glass I've been saving. It's at work, nobody's touched it. I'm gonna get rid of it in the next couple days just to have a little bit of fun. I'm gonna do it in slow motion. Anyways, let's get this tight. So we're gonna do this hand tight, not a big deal. Just like that, done. That's clicked on there, you're good to go. Now I'm gonna start it and see if that is the problem. Okay. Yep, that was the problem. So she's good to go. Now we're gonna change the boot, so this thing's not gonna plop off. So that's the new boot. You can get the standard ones like you see here, look at that, exactly like that. But I like to go a little bit fancy. This has NGK on the side, so it's gotta add about 5 extra horsepower. And you need all the help you can get when you got a small engine like this. So she might be like 5.2 horsepower. Anyways, time lapse. As you guys can see here, I'll just angle that down a little bit. This thing's pretty rusty. Like it's done. Even though little pieces fell out of it, so not good. So as you can see, guys, one more thing fixed around the house. This mower lives again for $6 and some cents for the spark plug. I think it was like $6.99 plus tax for the boot. Didn't really need a boot, but it was about time. Boot time, I should say. No pun intended. Plenty of pun intended, I should say. Anyways, all joking aside, hope you have a good, safe day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.